Imagine, a tool transforms every DIY project into a work of art, an instrument that combines power, precision, and ease of use in a way never seen before. Here is the Triton Compact Plunge Router Precision 420 1250 830 16 JOF, a gem of technology that promises to revolutionize the way you work with wood. Let me take you on a journey to the heart of innovation, where every detail of this tool has been designed to meet your most demanding needs. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about this product and discover thousands of reviews from satisfied customers. This product is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals seeking maximum precision and versatility in their woodworking projects. Its compact design and advanced features make it a preferred choice for those who demand the best from their tools. It all starts with its powerful 1110 watts motor, designed to tackle all the challenges you throw at it without faltering. With a variable speed of 8,000 to 21,000 revolutions per minute, this Triton perfectly adapts to the nature of your work, whether it involves achieving delicate finishes or tackling more resistant materials. But what truly sets this compact plunge router precision apart is its ability to provide unmatched precision thanks to its free plunge system and micrometric adjustment. The Triton brand, recognized since 1960 for its commitment to quality and precision, once again confirms its reputation with this model. Designed with ergonomics for optimal handling, this compact plunge router precision is lightweight and compact, making freehand work not only possible but also enjoyable. This comfort of use is all the more appreciated as the compact plunge router precision is equipped with a soft start feature, ensuring perfect control right from the beginning of your projects. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of customer reviews sharing their satisfaction. Innovation doesn't stop there. The Triton is designed to make your work as easy as possible. With its automatic spindle lock, changing bits becomes a breeze. Operable with one hand, there's no need to juggle different tools. A single key is enough. And for those seeking absolute precision, the graduated turret with 3 stops allows for cuts at predefined depths with remarkable accuracy. Switching from plunge mode to semi-stationary mode is done in the blink of an eye thanks to a simple switch. This versatility gives you the freedom to work in both traditional and more innovative ways, depending on your projects, along with its dust extraction system. No more hours spent cleaning your workspace. Triton thinks of everything to allow you to focus on what matters most, your passion for DIY. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. The woodworking workshop has never been more accessible. Whether you are a knowledgeable hobbyist or a demanding professional, the Triton will meet all your needs. Its bright orange design is not just an aesthetic choice, it reflects the vitality and energy that this tool can bring to all your projects. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. The number one advantage is high versatility, capable of performing a wide range of tasks thanks to its variable speed and fine adjustment capabilities. Advantage number 2, exceptional precision. The micrometric adjustment and the graduated turret allow for precise adjustments for high-G quality results. Advantage number 3, ease of use. Simplified bit change with automatic spindle lock and soft start for better control. Advantage number 4, ergonomic, lightweight and compact design. It is ideal for freehand work, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Advantage number 5, cleanliness of the workspace. The dust extraction hose keeps the work area clean, minimizing exposure to dust. Now let's move on to the first drawback, corded power supply. The need for an electrical outlet can limit mobility and access to certain workspaces. Disadvantage number 2, initial learning. For beginners, the multitude of features and settings may require an adjustment, period. So, for those who are ready to take the plunge with unmatched work quality, the time has come to discover the Triton Compact Plunge Router Precision. Don't miss the opportunity to transform the way you work with wood. Click on the link in the description to order at the best price, learn more, and discover the hundreds of reviews from customers who have already adopted this revolutionary tool. Your workshop deserves the best. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.